As you can see here, this is Taita Taveta County, and Taita Taveta County is in Kenya. As you can see, the effects of floods. The floods have caused a lot of problem to these families. The whole of Taita Taveta, especially Taveta sub-county, has been affected mostly by floods. As you can see, this is a woman with her family. As you can see, they are suffering. Their house was flooded. As you can see, they have nothing. Everything has been swept away by water. As you can see, they are sleeping. They're just sleeping in the water. They are complaining that they haven't received any help from the government or from anybody. So they have decided to just stay there, as you can see. And these effects of floods have been felt everywhere in this county. So far, 3 people have reported being dead. The whole of this place was flooded, and water still flowing just through this house, as you can see. And this family is begging for help from anyone who can help it, maybe to evacuate to safe place. This is an old woman, as you can see. He's very old. He's 98 years. So this family has to be helped urgently, because we don't know what will happen today or this night, because water is still flowing, water is still coming, and this place is gonna be very bad if this family is not helped. And now this is the 3rd week. This place is full of water. And the other side, people are in camps. Their home have been swept. Everything, their livestock, their food, everything has been swept by this flood. So it's a very devastating situation for these families around here. So it is upon the government to help, to enter in and help, because these are our people. So if we don't help them, who will come and help? So anyone who is able, especially government, to come and help it.
Hatuna hata pa kupikia, tunapikia barabarani. Ndio hivyo wanavyoona hapa ulivyo ndipo mpaka ndani.
Na mnalala wapi?
Tunalala hivyo ukiomba Mungu. Unalala ukididimia haya. Usipodidimia ndivyo Mungu anatuamsha. Tuko juu ya Mungu, hatuko ati ni imani ya mwanadamu. Tuko juu, ni Mungu anatulinda, tuseme kwa wazi. Ndiye anatutetea. Kama si nguvu za Mungu, hata hapa hatungeweza kusimama. Tungekuwa tumeshaenda. Lakini kwa kuwa Mungu anatenda, aliko kanyaga kutenda mabaya, hapa naona anatenda mema, kwa sababu naamka na hivi vitu vyangu. Ndio.
Na unasema bwanako yuko nyumbani?
Wewe uko na miaka ngapi?
Mimi nimezaliwa 48, sasa hivi na miaka 74.
Na mume wako na miaka ngapi?
Miaka 90.
Kwa hivyo haizi toka nyumbani?
Hatoki.
Na umesema nyumba yako imebomoka?
Jiko limeanguka, ile nyumba nyingine ndio haijaanguka, imesimama. Ndio.
Sawa.
Ndio mtoto akatuita hapa, akasema kaa hapa mama. Baba yeye akapelekwa cha huko juu. Akahamishwa huko. Sasa siwekubali kabisa. Acha nivumilie niende nao.